In SOLIDWORKS you have a few uses with the double click. Of course you can start the program either by double clicking on the program or a model icon. Or if you have an empty SOLIDWORKS, you can double click anywhere in the window and open the welcome screen. You can click anywhere on the visible background with a model open to do this. When finishing a sketch segment, for instance a line, instead of clicking exit, just double click and the segment will be exited. If you double click on the SOLIDWORKS icon on the top left corner, you of course close SOLIDWORKS. And if you double click on the top bar, you can maximize or restore your window. The last one applies for most programs. And finally, if you double click on the top bar of your model, it will be maximized.